This LED UV curing system is used to install on flexographic label printing and offset printing presses, size 250 mm, 10 inches. Each LED UV curing lamp only have power consumption 600 watts. It greatly saves power consumption and saves costs for manufacturers' expenses. This system is very popular in the international printing industry. This is the case with LED UV lamps installed at the Heidelberg printing plant. 2 colors. We put 2 lamps, one is LED UV lamp, the other one is conventional UV lamp for UV varnish cure.